For over a quarter of a century, the Jeep Grand Cherokee has defined the SUV segment. Its strong character and classic design cues are timeless in nature. A stunning combination of style, technology, luxury, and capability have helped make Grand Cherokee the most awarded SUV ever. The classic 7-slot grille stands as a visual signature of one of the most iconic and beloved automobile brands in history. The Grand Cherokee is instantly recognized the world over thanks to its breathtaking beauty and superior capability. As for the interior, the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee really does have inner beauty. Standout style meets sophisticated comfort. The Grand Cherokee interior is designed with the world's most iconic landscapes and a variety of lifestyles in mind. Intricate details, quality fabrics, and materials and premium features all come together to create a driving experience that's effortlessly luxurious